Hello and welcome back. We installed Eibach set on 40 millimeters in front and 35 millimeters in the back. It's been a lot of rain these days, so the car is a little bit dirty. But today we got new rims we're gonna install on. It's OZ ULTRALEGGERA 225, 35, 19. We're gonna put them in and we're gonna see how big spacers we need on the back side because they're ET47. So let's do it. So now we are done with mounting springs and wheels on the car. It looks very nice in the front, a little bit too high on the back side. As you can see, it's a little bit too big gap. Maybe some spacers would save the story, but I think without coilovers it will be hard to make it nice. In about 2 weeks I already ordered the exhaust system with valve for it, so I'll make a video with sound before and after, so stay tuned.